Hey guys, it's me, Joseph. Oh, the windstorm is starting up later today. Yeah, it's very windy right now, but later today it's gonna get way more windy. You can see the trees. Look, can you see them? Oh God, I hear a big breeze. Here it comes. Oh, those are some big ones. Big ones. Big ones. Big ones. We got big one. Oh! Yeah, the wind gusts are strong. It's only when I hear a big breeze. Okay. Oh, here comes one. Comes a big blow. Oh, here comes a big one. Oh, ow! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! It's so windy! Oh God! Oh! Whoa! Jeez! Papa! It's real windy now! It blew me to the fence!
So you say.
Yeah, it blew me to the fence! Oh God! Here's a big one! Oh! 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 Yeah, I think it calmed down. No, it didn't. I hear a big breeze coming. This is gonna be a long video. I think it calmed down. No, I think it did calm down. I don't hear any strong stuff. Okay, I'm hearing something. Oh, here we go, here we go. Okay, I hear something big. I hear something big. I hear something big! Jeez, this windstorm. Oh, well, where is it taking me? Yeah, guys, strong winds. All right, that's all it. Bye.